How to fix App Store not downloading apps. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix App Store not downloading app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're having trouble downloading apps from your App Store, you might want to start by checking your internet connection. So simply swipe down from the top right. Here you can see your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Try to connect to a better network if your network's a problem, or simply use your mobile data. If your network is still giving you an issue, you can go to your settings, go to general. After here, scroll down all the way till you find transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. From here, you can reset all of your network settings. After you've done that, you might want to check for your storage on your device. So come back to general here, go to iPhone storage. Make sure that you have enough storage available for the app you're trying to download. After you've made sure that your connection and your storage space is not an issue, and if you're still facing your problem, you might want to restart your iPhone. For that, you can long press on the top volume up button and quickly release it, and press on the volume down button and quickly release that, and long press on the side button until the Apple logo appears and your iPhone restarts, and that should fix the problem. But if not, you can just go to your App Store and then log out of your Apple account and then log back in, and that should fix the problem, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.